Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting your PS5 connected to your Roku TV is super easy, and we'll walk through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your PlayStation 5 console, your Roku TV, and importantly, the HDMI cable that came with your PS5. It's always best to use the original cable for the best performance. Have them close by, and let's get started. Now, let's make the physical connection. Look at the back or side of your Roku TV and find an open HDMI port. Most Roku TVs have a few to choose from. Gently plug one end of your HDMI cable into the TV. Then, take the other end and connect it to the HDMI OUT port on the back of your PlayStation 5. It's designed to fit snugly, so no need to force it. Once your PS5 is plugged in, turn on both your Roku TV and your PlayStation 5. On your Roku remote, press the home button to go to the main screen. Now, you'll see a list of inputs like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and so on. Use your remote to highlight the HDMI input where you connected your PS5, and then simply press OK to select it. At this point, you should see your PlayStation 5 home screen or initial setup guide appearing clearly on your Roku TV. If it's your first time setting up the PS5, just follow the easy on-screen instructions. For the best gaming experience, consider looking into your Roku TV's picture settings to see if it has a game mode you can enable. This often reduces input lag, making your games feel much more responsive. Having trouble? Don't worry, it happens. First, make sure both ends of your HDMI cable are securely plugged in. You might also try plugging the PS5 into a different HDMI port on your Roku TV, or even using another HDMI cable if you have one available. Sometimes a simple restart of both devices can also solve the issue. Now, you're all set to enjoy your games. If this guide helped you out, a like and subscribe would be fantastic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.